Today we are going to tackle a common issue that many YouTube users face, the YouTube library option not working correctly. Whether it's your saved videos, watch history or playlist not showing up, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's check if it's a simple glitch. Sometimes a quick restart of the app or your device can solve the problem. So go ahead and close the YouTube app completely and then reopen it. If that didn't work, don't worry, we've got a few more steps to try. Step 1. Clear the YouTube cache and data. This can help resolve any temporary issues. Here's how you do it. Go to Settings, navigate to Apps, and find YouTube. And tap on Storage, select Clear Cache and Clear Data. Now, reopen the YouTube app and check if your library is back to normal. If it's still not working, let's move on to next step. Make sure you're in the correct Google account. Sometimes you might be logged in into an account that doesn't have your saved videos or playlist. To check it, open the YouTube app, tap on your profile picture. Make sure you sign in into the correct account. If not, sign out and sign in with the right account. If you're still having trouble, let's try updating the YouTube app. Sometimes bugs and glitches can be fixed with the latest version app. To update, go to the App Store and select YouTube. And if there's an update available, tap on Update. Alright, if the updating the app didn't solve the issues, we have one more step to try. Check your internet connection. A poor connection can sometimes prevent your library from loading properly. Make sure you're connected to a good Wi-Fi or switch to a good mobile data connection. You can also try switching to a different network to see if that helps. And there you have it. If you've tried all of these steps and your YouTube library option is still not working, it might be time to reach out to YouTube support for further assistance. I hope this video helped you fix the library issue on YouTube. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.